Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing prerequisites, a map instance that drops Unbound magic and at least one character equipped for fast clears. Once set, join or create a small group to chain events faster. This multiplies drops and reduces downtime. Make sure to have gathering tools, consumable buffs, and ample inventory or bank space to avoid vendor losses. Begin the first farm rotation immediately. Do the first event, tag squads, then move on to the next waypoint to keep momentum high and spawns consistent. Once you're rolling, optimize the middle phase. Use movement skills, boons, and quick res tools so you can hit events back to back. You should tag priority mobs early to secure drops, then let support handle lengthy mechanics while you clear ads. Rotate instances or switch maps every 10 to 15 minutes to avoid diminishing returns and stale spawns. Make sure to communicate with teammates about target priorities and adapt if a meta stalls. Shift to a parallel instance instead of waiting. You finish by consolidating loot and freeing inventory. Convert or vend Unbound magic to maintain space for another run. Once done, evaluate your drops versus time to decide whether to continue. If your return on investment drops, stop and switch strategy or targets. If problems occur, like stalled events or empty instances, relog, change instance, or recruit a larger group to reset spawns and speed completion. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get repeatedly low drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.